Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding Amrita University. Here is an important update to all Amrita Chennai students. So here you can see the Student Induction Program SIP for UG First Year 2021 batch. So it is going to start from September 23rd. So this is for Amrita Chennai campus only. So it is most probable that the other campus will be going in a similar way, but those schedules are not yet released. So this is the schedule for Amrita Chennai campus. So here you can see it's from 23rd September to 1st October. We're having lot of activities and all these are online. The links for all these will be shared respectively in the Amrita Chennai website and also to your registered Gmail. And I hope you are able to see all these forenoon and afternoon sessions each and every day. So there are a total of 13 sessions. You can see all these schedule. Let me zoom it if you wanted to see it clearly. So I hope this is clear about the schedule for this. And now here you can see the invitation in the official website of amrita.edu. You can go to this particular website. Please, I will leave this link in the description. You can see that click here to join the online induction program. So this is not yet activated. So on that particular induction day, so this will be the most probable link for whatever the forenoon and afternoon sessions that are given in the schedule. So here you can see that this is the official invitation. So you can see each and everything right here in this particular website, and you are allotted some branch. So all these branch teachers, respective teachers names and photographs are right here. You can know more details by clicking on them. And please upload your documents. So I think hope everyone have uploaded all your documents to the Amrita CMS portal. And if you need some instructions, you can see all the document instructions right here in this particular website. And here you can see all these facilities that are available in the campus. Currently it is starting online, but soon the offline classes will be starting soon for the Amrita campus. So let me show you one more thing. The academic calendar for 2021 to 2022 is released, which is just modified. Here you can see the downloaded one. You can download with that particular link, and here you can see that there are a lot of columns. This is for first year UG, and here you can see in the month of September, yeah, I got it, some 23rd September we are having the induction program, and all these once the classes will be starting. So you can see all these exams, all these details till Jan or February 2022. So the schedule is clear. So I hope this video was informative to all the Amrita students, especially Amrita Chennai students. So if you are a student of Amrita Bangalore or Coimbatore or Amrita Puri, please subscribe this channel. I'll let you know when the information comes. So thank you for watching, and also guys, please join our Discord server and our Telegram channel for more updates regarding all these universities. So the links for both of those are in the description box. Do check them out, it will be really helpful to you. Thank you.